Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about top 7 ways to make money online. If you are looking for ways to make money online, then you have come to the right place. In this video, you will discover the top 7 ways anybody can generate income online. One of the great things about the internet is that you can go into business for yourself from the comfort of your home. Dividing into the online world will free you from the daily 9 to 5 grind of a desk job and afford you more time to travel, indulge in hobbies and spend time with the family. Another plus is that there are so many different ways to make money online. After that, there is no need to hire staff, rent space, or purchase expensive furniture. Here are a mix of tried and true online ventures as well as new business and niches. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. You may already know that affiliate marketing is one of the oldest online money makers out there. As an internet entrepreneur, you will need your own job, web presence, website, blog, social media platform, landing pages, sales pages, banners, ads, or e-commerce sites. You can use several one of these combination if you like, as long as you get your marketing message to the public. Then pick a hot affiliate niche market. Look at the social media to ID trend and see what is hot on sites like Amazon and CG affiliate. Provide important content and marketing messages aimed at your prospect. When customer on your digital platforms click on link to make a purchase, you get a commission for every completed sale. The best part is you do not have to deal with shipping or customer service. You just simply drive the traffic and get them to click over the companies you are promoting as an affiliate, and if a sale is made, you get a commission for referring that sale. Selling number 2. Selling on Amazon, eBay, Etsy and Craigslist. One of the quickest ways to get started selling online is to leverage the power of third-party sites. E-commerce giants like Amazon, eBay, Etsy and Craigslist are powerful sales and marketing platforms. These mega sites make it easy to set up shop so customers can browse your products and there is no need to build your own website. You get to use the site shopping cart. In short, you avoid a lot of the expensive and hassle of setting up an independent e-commerce website. Number 1 site is Amazon. With Amazon, you can even have them fulfill your orders. The digital retailers also say that there are more than 2 million sellers on their website. eBay. With eBay, the procedure is very similar. You simply start by becoming an eBay seller and stay in good standing by making sure your PayPal account is verified. Etsy. If you are crafty, Etsy is where you should set up shop. The web portal is focused on handcrafted and unique one of a kind items and has a 1.5 million sellers around the world. Craigslist, perhaps one of the oldest sites when it comes to the listing item of sale. This is still a great place to list and sell items. Number third method is blogging. Old-fashioned blogging is alive and thriving. If you provide valuable content on a regular basis, you attract like-minded people interested in your niche information and products. Also, you make your site online storefront attractive in the eyes of Google by regularly adding using useful information in the form of articles, video, etc. Number 4 is niche e-commerce. As a startup internet entrepreneur, you are not competing with e-commerce titans or major retailers like Walmart. You also don't need a warehouse or a logistics system to sell your wares. The most important thing is that there has to be a market for your niche. For example, you might have a passion for 16th century French poetry, but you won't attract a lot of readers. Number 5th method is your own YouTube channel. Top YouTubers can make millions each year, and that include 5 years olds. Take 2PWDiePie, who has made more than 15 million filming himself playing video games, but you do not need millions of views to make money on your YouTube. Here's how to make money on YouTube. Set up your YouTube channel, the place where your videos will live. Upload video consistently and be specific when describing the content in your video. Make sure your videos are high quality and contain useful or entertaining content. Put the word on your social media platform like Facebook and your email marketing listing. You should also share the videos on social media or embed them on your blog or website. Respond to comments from viewers to create a fan base. Your job is to attract and keep monetize your undertaking by allowing YouTube to include ads in your videos. When viewers click on ad, you split the fee with Google. The more views, the more revenue for you. The 6th mechanism is selling ebooks. The internet has put a dent in the traditional publishing world. These days, e-readers are all the rage. Ebooks represent about 20% of all book sales in the US. You can sell your own books or sell a public domain work. Simply upload it to your website and start publicizing it on your social media platform, on your email list, your blog, website, etc. The 7th method is developed apps. Whenever it is an iPhone or Android, it is got apps and everyone got one in their pocket. You can't compete with the likes of Pandora or Pinterest, but you can get in one of the action. Don't panic if you are not a programmer. You are the idea person. You can hire people to create it. With the availability of programmers available at reasonable rates, you could probably find someone on a site like Upwork. Of course, the exact amount you will pay your developer depends on the complexity of the app. You should create your app so that it works on both kinds of smartphones, Android and iPhone. Thank you. Maximize your customer base. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.